Welcome everyone to another video. In today's nail set, the theme I chose was summery pink lemonade vibes since it's beginning to feel like summer already. To start, I'll pick my nail sizes, making sure that the tip fits from side to side. I'll set the tips on a stand. This will make it easier for me to design. Next, I'll move on to buffing. I usually buff the nails first to help the polish stick a bit better and to prevent it from peeling. Now that the nails are all buffed, they're ready for a design. I'll take some alcohol on a nail wipe and use that to wipe away any dust that is left over on the nail. Now it's time for the design. For the base color, I chose a pretty jelly pink. I'll paint on the first coat and cure on the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm painting on the second coat. I like how it looks with 2 coats, so I'll stick with that. I'll cure again for 60 seconds. For the swirls, I'll take a pink gel polish and draw a swirled French line. I'll fill in the shape with polish, cure it for 60 seconds, and then repeat it again a second time. In total, I'll do 2 coats of the pink. For the accent nail, I'll do a swirl that covers more of the nail. Then I'll fill in the shape with polish and cure again for 60 seconds. Then repeat this process a second time. I'll do the same to the other nails and then cure. Next, I'll paint a layer of base coat on all the nails. Once all the nails are painted, cure for 60 seconds. After the base coat, I'll use this light purple color for the dots. Okay, let's begin. For the effect that I want, I will dot the nails and let the nail sit for a bit so that the dots can spread out like an aura. I'll show you what I mean at the end. For now, I'll let you watch me work. Take a look at the dots. Do you see how they've started to spread out? This is the effect that I was talking about earlier. Here are the dots now that they've all spread, and the gel is still uncured. So I'll add pink dots into the center of the purple and allow that to spread out just like the purple dots did. I'll repeat the same steps to the remaining nails, and then I'll come back. To finish the design, I'll drag the polish with a liner brush. This reminds me of the pulp and the white ring you would see in a lemon slice. Well, a pink lemon, that is. Once that's done, I'll move on to the next nail. Then cure all in the lamp for 60 seconds. To add some strength to the nail, I'll paint on a layer of builder gel. Last step is to top coat the nails. Cure for 60 seconds. And the set is completed. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.